After a two-day voting process, the JP Infra Committee of Creditors have voted in favor of calling for a fresh round of bids from the two contenders, NBCC and Suraksha Realty. ET now is exclusively learning from sources that 98% of the COC has voted in favor of calling for fresh bids. All banks except one bank voted in favor, and majority of the home buyers also voted in favor of this resolution. Now, just to take a look at why exactly this voting process took place on calling for fresh bids. In the last round of bids, which was the fourth round of bids called for JP Infra, NBCC submitted the bid after the deadline. After going through the bid, the resolution professional had noted a few points, and in a report he had said that the entire resolution plan of NBCC, due to a few pointers mentioned, remains non-compliant. The COC took that into consideration, and they had decided that they will vote only on Suraksha Realty's bid starting last Monday. But before that voting process on Suraksha Realty's bid, they received letters from NBCC saying that, we are submitting clarifications on the issues that the IRP raised in his report, and if our bid is not considered, then we will be willing to take any legal action. Suraksha Realty also put forth a letter saying that, we were the ones who submitted the bid on time. NBCC had delayed the submission and their bid is non-compliant. So if their bid is considered just because of the addendum that has been provided, then we will also take any legal action that is required. Taking into consideration all these letters and all the responses that came through, the COC decided to meet before the voting process, and the final decision was to suspend voting on Suraksha Realty's bid. Instead, vote on 27th and 28th of May on whether fresh bids should be called completely or not. Now, going forward, both NBCC and Suraksha Realty, we understand from sources, will be given a 7-day time period to submit these fresh bids. The deadline for submission of fresh bids stands as 4th of June. Additionally, we also understand that NBCC, before this voting process started, had written to the Committee of Creditors. They had also written to the Insolvency Resolution Professional, and they had said in that letter that we feel that our bid is compliant, it is legally compliant, but NBCC said that we are ready to consider the COC's view on compliance. We will submit a revised bid on the basis of the Committee of Creditors' observation and to their satisfaction. So that is something very important that NBCC had put forth to the COC before this voting happened on calling for fresh bids. This means that NBCC is willing to make changes in their bid. In fact, NBCC has said in the letter that they will put forth the amendments in the bid will be put forth to the board as well of NBCC to make changes according to the points that were raised by the Committee of Creditors as well as the Insolvency Resolution Professional. And they also sought that if they are asked to submit fresh bids, a fresh bid, in that case, they will, they requested to hold a meeting with the COC and the IRP so that they can discuss the issues that came in the way of the previous bid and then submit the fresh bid by the deadline of June 4th. And now, of course, we're going to see both the companies putting in these fresh bids. Now, additionally, what we also understand is that the Insolvency Resolution Professional will have to seek an extension in the timeline of the insolvency resolution process. That's because the time that was granted by the SC last was till 7th of June, and that's not going to be enough considering that the bids will come in on 4th of June. We understand from sources that the IRP will be filing an application with the Supreme Court within this week so that he can seek extension of 30 days to complete the resolution process and a request for time till 7th of July. So that is the request that is going to be coming in, and meanwhile fresh bids are going to come from Suraksha Realty as well as NBCC.